Krishna, well, day 10 of Gita Recital Challenge. Let us begin with prayers. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Nitinamine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we are trying to memorize the various verses of Bhagavad Gita, and by memorizing these verses of Bhagavad Gita, we can actually become immensely benefited. Why? Because we are associating with the words spoken personally by Lord Krishna. Now, when we repeat these shlokas, what happens? We are directly associating with Krishna. And in any way, when we associate with Krishna, it is a very purifying, as in the Bhagavad Gita itself, it is mentioned. Lord Krishna is Pavitram Paramam. He is supremely pure. And by associating with him, by by reciting the verses that he has spoken, we can also become purified. So, why we should recite Bhagavad Gita verses every day? To get association of the Lord and thus become purified. So, let us continue to learn more verses in this Gita recital challenge. Today being day 11. So, we are going to now learn another interesting verse. This is also a well known verse from the fourth chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. In this verse, Lord Krishna talks about three purposes for his descent in this material world. Let us see the verse, chapter 4, verse 8. Paritrāṇāya sadhūnām vināṣāya ca duṣkrutām dharma samsthapanārthāya sambhavāmi yuge yuge. Lord Krishna says, in order to deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I advent myself millennium after millennium. Sambhavami yuge yuge. In every yuga, I shall appear in this material world, Krishna mentions here. So, what are the three purposes for which Lord Krishna descends to this material world? The first one is Paritranaya Sadhunam. Sadhu means a person who is a devotee of the Lord. A devotee means one who leads his life according to the instructions given by the law. He is called a sadhu. The moment we hear the word sadhu, what comes to our mind is somebody wearing a saffron dress. But that need not be the understanding of the word sadhu. Sadhu means anybody who is a devotee of the Lord, immaterial of his position in the society. The Lord has proven that even if a small little child who is just 5 years old, if he becomes a sadhu, he becomes a devotee of the Lord, for his sake also the Lord will appear in this world. We have seen this in the example of Bhakta Prahalada. He was a 5-year-old prince and he was greatly determined in devotional service. In spite of so many difficulties, he, with great perseverance, continued to chant the holy names of the Lord. Therefore, for his sake, the Lord appeared as Narasimhadeva. From a pillar, he came out roaring and killed the demon Hiranyakashipu, and he protected the boy Prahalada. So, Paritranaya Sadhunam, for the sake of his devotees, for protecting, Paritrana means to protect. To protect the devotees, I come, the Lord says. That is his primary purpose. The secondary purpose is Vinashaya cha dushkrutam, to annihilate the miscreants, the demons. As far as killing the demons is concerned, the Lord need not have to personally come to this material world. He just has to wish that let this demon die, and the demon will die because he's all powerful. But he still comes to establish the love that he has towards his pure devotees. So paritranaya sadhunam is the primary reason for the Lord's descent. And the secondary reason is to annihilate the miscreants. And by doing these two, the Lord does the third purpose. He establishes, he fulfills the third purpose, that is to establish dharma, to re-establish the principles of religion. And Krishna says, I advent myself millennium after millennium. It's not that Krishna is going to send somebody on his behalf. Krishna says, I personally come. Now, as we discussed in the previous session, this shows the Lord's unconditional love for his devotees. That is why he personally comes. Secondly, another point that a question might be raised, if the Lord comes once and establishes dharma once for all, that is sufficient, isn't it? Why he has to come again and again? The answer to this question is the nature of this material world is that it is ever changing because of the influence of several factors, including the influence of time factor. Things in this material world are not permanent. They keep changing. They are repeatedly going through series of transformations and changes. And that is why, even though the Lord appears in this material world as incarnations, he establishes the principles of dharma. Due to the influence of Kala, due to the influence of other forces, there are changes that are happening. Somebody, as we keep seeing as we hear in the scriptures, that one demon comes and he is killed by the Lord. And after that, another demon comes and he tries to lord over the world, and he tries to he actually harms the sadhus, the devotees of the Lord. Therefore, this is repetitive. It's going on and again. And the Lord does not mind coming n number of times. That shows how patient he is. That shows how loving he is towards his children, all of us in this material world. So the Lord primarily comes for the sake of protecting his devotees. That is the meaning of this verse. Now let us learn this shloka. Please repeat after me. परित्राणाय साधूनां
परित्राणाय साधूनां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
संभवामि युगे युगे
संभवामि युगे युगे
परित्राणाय साधूनां
परित्राणाय साधूनां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
संभवामि युगे युगे
संभवामि युगे युगे
परित्राणाय साधूनां
परित्राणाय साधूनां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
संभवामि युगे युगे.
संभवामि युगे युगे.
So please memorize the shloka, and I'm sure this is a very easy verse. So please make a video of yourself reciting this shloka along with the translation and share it with me. I'll be eagerly waiting for your videos. Thank you. Hare Krishna.